The TTU product that we manufacture here at Morvern is quite special, especially in the fact that we can take a customer's requirements right from their documentation, right through design, ISO drawn specifications and output, right into what you see here today in the workshop and manufacture. One of the things that's very unique to our product is that we can take everything under one house. As the company's grown and evolved, our facilities have grown along with this. This has enabled us a lot more capacity within the shops here in the Highlands. It's given us, in the shop that we're standing in just now, is 4 20-ton cranes in it. That then allows us to take a lot of what would be traditional civil build on site, the likes of our chlorine contact pipe. We can then incorporate them in the design, in the build and full commission.
We were involved in the outline design, followed by the detailed design. Our design team upstairs take the idea of the plant and turn it into reality using the latest Autodesk Inventor software. From that we produce fabrication drawings and they can be sent out to our workshop. We've got really good control over the manufacturing of the plant because our engineers sit so close to the workshop, so it's a 30-second journey for them rather than a traditional drive to site.
So the plant that you see behind us, Lochaline, we've taken from ISO drawn and general assemblies, built through our fabrication and paint shops, through first fix, second fix, and that's basically all offline build, and then it all comes together at the end in a full assembly. That assembly is then handed over to the commission engineers that run water right through the plant as it would do a full simulation on site. We then, as soon as we're happy that everything's absolutely 100%, we know that when we separate this today, ship it to site, put it on site, that everything's going to be a full turnkey solution, work first time and give the maximum customer satisfaction.
The Lochaline Water Treatment Works project is a project that was handed to ESD in May 2016. Within 8 months, we took an initial design and developed it, managed the delivery to the point that we got a start on site in January 2017. Basically, the project's rocketing along at very high speed. This has only worked through strong collaboration between ESD's design leads, project management team and Scottish Water, key customers within Scottish Water to make it all happen, shared services, and also with a huge amount of support from Ross-shire Engineering in the design and delivery. The early engagement of Ross-shire Engineering has allowed ESD to take full advantage of their off-site modular assembly approach. This innovative modular approach to water treatment has transformed the industry, especially in more remote locations. This is a successful example of supply chain collaboration where ESD, Scottish Water and Ross-shire Engineering have worked together to deliver a positive and successful outcome for Scottish Water and its customers.
Lochaline's got poor water quality at the moment, so Scottish Water are endeavouring to improve that through the use of our TTUs. So it's just arrived, and now it's a case of getting all the connection pipework into it, water in. There's a new raw water pipeline to come in from the intake up through the forest to provide new raw water to the TTU, and then obviously we'll have the water out and drainage and stuff from that. So that's what we're trying to do over the next couple of weeks to service the new plant, really. The challenges here have been the time frames. With the water quality at Lochaline, they've been keen to get it done as soon as possible, so it's meant there's been quite tight time frames. There's been elements of rock breaking and stuff to do, which causes problems in itself, and the site itself has been quite tight. There's the various teams. Obviously Ross-shire have got their electrical team and our mechanical team, so they're working together all the time in the workshop before these units come, so they're interfacing in there and they're used to doing that on a day-to-day basis, really. And then the civils element is we hire in contractors to do that for us in locations like this because it's the most cost-effective way to do that. When the various teams come, it's just a case of throughout the day just making sure that everyone's working together to achieve the target of completing the works, really.
Part of the challenges with a project like this is obviously disruption to the local community, and Scottish Water and ESD and the alliances of the partners, we want to keep that to a minimum. The advantages of a TTU, Transportable Treatment Unit, reduces the programme and keeps the amount of movement of traffic to a minimum, therefore less disruption. And it's very important to keep the local communities on board and engaged, which is what we do. And this has turned out to be very successful on this project, as we have residents that are very, very close, and they can see that the timescale is going to be vastly reduced in the method that has been chosen. We commenced work on site on the 23rd of January 2017, right in the heart of the winter months. So the the key dates are very challenging to achieve. However, everybody's pulling together, and we're all aimed in the right direction to get there.
This capability and design approach and build philosophy enables us to grow out with Scotland, so we don't necessarily have to ship to within Scotland, because if we put at units when it's closed, fully clad, sealed, ready to go, can go on a boat to the likes of Wolsey, to Tobermory, to the Scottish Water projects that we've done in the past, or likewise, as soon as they're on a boat, they can go nearly anywhere in the world. So the philosophy really is something that's scalable and something that we're looking to develop.